Hi, my name's Doug. I'm back here with you with another Emerald Hill Skies Skylet. Just wanted to share with you a piece of actually really cool news. Yesterday, literally, a supernova was discovered over in Japan. Here you can see at the Central Bureau for Astronomical Telegrams, kind of a throwback to the old days when everything was done by telegram. You can see lists upon lists of things that were discovered. If we go all the way to the end of this list, here is PNV and then this long number. As you can see, it was discovered about halfway through yesterday. It's magnitude 7.8. Now, the visible magnitude sort of describes what you can see with your eyes in terms of brightness. And probably most people in a dark sky can see up to about 6. Some can see 7, but it is a binocular object at this point. Still, this kind of supernova only happens a couple of times in a century, and this is a pretty big actual happening. It was discovered by a man named first initial T Naguchi in Katori, Japan, and he was using an F10 Schmidt Cassegrain. This would be one of your bigger. You've seen them probably. You could call it like a stubby Schmidt Cassegrain telescope, short but wide, and he was using an unfiltered CCD. So what he was doing was he was measuring places in the sky and then comparing differences, and he saw this image pop up that wasn't visible before. And here you can see a little bit more detail on it. He had taken 4 frames in a 135 millimeter f4 lens, and he shows frames he had taken before. Now here we are at the American Association of Variable Star Observers, and their page, you can see they're talking about as well. This is pretty exciting news, again, describing this experience. And of course, obviously, confirmation and subsequent spectroscopy is called for in this case, urgently required to see if this indeed is a supernova. Okay, so here's the drum roll and the thing you've been waiting for. This is one of the frames. It's pretty exciting. Now, I know you're looking at that and you're saying, so it just looks like a star. Well, that's it. It's just a star. It just so happens that that star wasn't there the day before. So, literally, if you had imaged this on the 17th, where these two little pointers are pointing, that bright star speck, that starlight that you would see there, would not be there literally day before yesterday. So this entire star just popped into existence. Now we know that this is not true. The star existed before, but it was so far away and so faint that we weren't seeing it. And then it collapsed on itself and blew up in this massive and chaotic and catastrophic explosion. And when that explosion happened, it sent light photons our way. Now, we don't know for sure how far away this is, but it would certainly be far enough away that we're looking at light that is years and years and years, maybe hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of years old. But tonight, Lord willing, as soon as it gets dark, we'll get the telescope fired up, emeraldhillskies.com, and you can see that link. We'll get the scope fired up and we'll train our telescope on this dot so you can literally see this dot tonight by tuning in to our YouTube channel. Just go to emeraldhillskies.com. There's a link there, and we'll look forward to seeing this. Thanks, and hope to see you tonight. God bless.